There's a whole other world of Washington vegetables grown underground. Beets, carrots, onions, radishes, and the list goes on. But don't be intimidated by these thick, rough-looking roots. Some of the best tasting and healthiest vegetables can be found underground. Whether they're raw, steamed, boiled, roasted, sautéed, or grilled, roots can be prepared every which way. Ralph, our produce manager, can tell us all about how to store these veggies.
Your root vegetables will last throughout the winter, but just keep them in the refrigerator. But if you're not sure, ask your produce person about it.
Root vegetables are great during the winter, but can also be had all year around. One of my favorites is the delicious beet. Beets are rich in nitrates and folates, which improves your blood pressure and can help in reducing risk of heart disease. Beets can also help boost endurance and improve your stamina, which is why some athletes eat beets before competing. So the next time you run a marathon, remember, these underground veggies can help you beat your time.